Move to question number 8. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve with the equation y is equal to 1 by 4x cube minus 8x to the power of minus half at the point 4, 12. Give your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are integers. So what is that idea? So to answer this question, if we have a curve something like this, and we have one point, we need to find the equation of the tangent at the point P. The point P is 4, 12. So that means x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 12. And what is the equation of this curve? 1 by 4 x cube minus 8x to the power of minus 1 by 2. Am I right? So they are asking to find the equation of the tangent. So we know that any equation of line, tangent is equation, it's a line itself. So equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. And therefore, what is m? M is the gradient, or that we can obtain by differentiating the curve. And then whatever be the point through which we need to find the gradient of the tangent, you plug the x coordinate of that. So dy by dx at P. So first you differentiate the curve. So what is the differential of 1 by 4x cube? Because we know that y is equal to, if it is ax to the power of n, dy by dx is an x to the power of n minus 1. That is power rule. So if you are differentiating this, we have a constant 1 by 4, and then bring this 3, and then you subtract 1 from 3, minus 8 times minus half x to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 4 times 3 is 3 by 4 x square. Minus into minus becomes positive. 8 times half is 4. X to the power of minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So this is the general expression for dy by dx. And we need to find the gradient at point P specifically. Here x coordinate is actually 4. So like 4 here. 3 by 4 into 4 square plus 4 times 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2. So if you are inputting this value directly in calculator, that will give you 12 plus 4 times 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2 means it's actually 2 to the power 1 over 8. So substitute it and then calculate the value. So the gradient we will get it as, so gradient of this tangent is 12.5. And if you're writing this in the fraction, what we will get it is 25 upon 2. The gradient we obtained as 25 upon 2. Why we are writing in fraction? Because already it is given in our question that we have to write that answer in ax plus by plus c. A, b, c are integers. So here 12.5 is not an integer. So that is why to make that an integer, we wrote this in terms of fractions. So we know the equation of this tangent. What is the equation? M is 25 by 2x plus c. And we know that this is passing through which point? 4, 12. For v is 4, 12. So in place of y, you substitute 12. In place of x, you substitute 4, and you find the y-intercept. So here 12 is equal to 50 plus c, and c is equal to 12 minus 50 minus 38 is the value of c. So we got the y-intercept as well. Clear? So you plug the finally you plug this value of c into the final equation. Y is equal to 25 by 2x minus 38. So here this is not in the required form that we need. So you completely multiply this with the 2. So 2y is equal to, that will not alter the equation. So here 2 and 2 got cancelled out. 2y is 25x minus 38 times 2 is 76. Now you bring this 2y to this side. So what happens? 25x minus 2y minus 76 is equal to 0. And that is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Every coefficients and constant we can see that are in integers form. So the answer for this question is 25x minus 2y minus 76 is equal to 0. So that is the equation for the tangent. Hope you got the idea. Now, the curve with the equation y is equal to f of x also passes through the point 4, 12. The curve with the equation y is equal to f of x also passes through the point 4, 12. Okay. F dash x is equal to 1 by 4 x cube minus 8 x to the power of minus 1 by 2. Find f of x, give your coefficients in the simplest form. So that means that we have another function that is f of x that also passes through which point? F of x also passes through the point P. So we are in a position to find the equation of this f of x. So what is f dash x? F dash x is given as 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 by 4 x cube minus 8 x to the power of minus half. 8 x to the power of minus. So our aim is to find the value of f of x. And this also passes through 4, 12. So if you want to find the mother function, the first derivative is given. So our aim is to find the value of f of x. So if you are bringing back to the mother function from the derivative, we have to use a technique called integration. So integral of x to the power of n dx means it is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is the idea. So here we need to integrate this. So 1 by 4 x cube dx minus 8 x to the power of minus 2 dx. So if you are integrating this 1 by 4 times x to the power of 4 by 4, because 3 plus 1 becomes 4, minus 8 x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and plus we need to add a constant of integration plus c. So 1 by 4 into x to the power of 4 by 4 means it is x to the power of 4 by 16 minus 8 x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is again 1 by 2 itself by 1 by 2 plus c. So we partially we got the mother function f of x, that is x to the power of 4 by 16 minus 8 by half means it is 16. 16 x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. Now the question is, how will you find the value of c? F of x means it is y. So we know that it is passing through 4, 12. So in place of y, you substitute 12. In place of x, you substitute 4. 4 raised to 4 by 16 minus 16, 4 raised to half plus c. So 12 is equal to 4 raised to 4 by 16 means it is 16 minus 16 times 4 raised to 1 by 2 is 2 plus c. So 12 is equal to 16 minus 32 plus c. 12 is equal to minus 16 plus c. So bring this minus 16 to the side, it becomes 28 is the value of c. So therefore the complete equation is y is equal to x to the power of 4 by 16 minus 16 x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 28. And that is not y, I mean y in sense, that is f of x. So the mother function of x is equal to x to the power of 4 by 16 minus 16 x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 28. Hope you got the idea about this question. Find f of x, give the coefficients in the simplest form. Our own answers are completely in the simplest form. Correct? Yes. So that is the idea.